So greetings to the judges. Our team name is Fine Tuners. The problem statement is SIH25039 related to ocean hazard reporting and social media analytics. The name of our project is SAMUDRA SETU. So Sumit, start with the reporting of the hazard.
Welcome to the SAMUDRA SETU. So before any hazard can be monitored, the first step starts with the citizen. They need to fill out a simple hazard reporting form. So in this form, the citizen provides their basic details like filling out their name, phone number, their email address, and the hazard type like tsunami, coastal flooding, storm, high waves. For example, you see if we selected tsunami, if possible, they can put the wave height, time of arrival, and the affected area description means the landmark nearby landmark area and the timing and duration. And in the description part, they have to write a short explanation that what you observe there. Okay, like they observe tsunami, etc. And upload photos or videos to help with the verification, like this. And put your location manually or allowed to detect it automatically here. And finally, click on the submit.
So this is the voice assisted agent we are going to implement in our project. So this is the use case of this is actually if the user doesn't have internet connection in coastal areas, so he can directly use our voice agent where he would call using a phone number and our assistant will assist him regarding the threats and whatever the information the user wants to user will give to our assistant. The assistant will collect everything and then send it to the server for analysis. Let's get started. I'll click on the talk to the assistant. So this is a multilingual model actually. I'll interact with him.
नमस्ते, मैं डिजास्टर रिपोर्टिंग असिस्टेंट हूँ। मैं बाढ़, भूकंप या आग जैसी आपदाओं की रिपोर्ट करने में मदद करने के लिए यहाँ हूँ। क्या हम अभी शुरू कर सकते हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, हम अभी शुरू कर सकते हैं।
कृपया बताएं किस प्रकार की आपदा की रिपोर्ट करनी है, जैसे बाढ़, भूकंप, आग, सुनामी, लैंडस्लाइड या तूफान।
बाढ़ के बारे में।
बाढ़ कहाँ हुई है? कृपया स्थान का नाम और जितना हो सके उतना विवरण दें।
ओडिशा में बाढ़ हुई है।
क्या आप मुझे बाढ़ की गंभीरता के बारे में बता सकते हैं, जैसे पानी कितना बड़ा है या कितना क्षेत्र प्रभावित हुआ है?
मैं क्षेत्र के बारे में तो मैं नहीं बता सकता, पर बहुत सी जगह पे पानी भर चुका है, लोगों के घरों तक में पानी घुस चुका है, सड़कें पूरी भर चुकी हैं।
क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ये बाढ़ कब शुरू हुई थी या अभी भी जारी है? साथ ही क्या लोग सुरक्षित स्थानों पर हैं या मदद की जरूरत है?
अभी पिछले 7 घंटे से लगातार बारिश चालू है और बहुत सी जगह पे लोग फंसे हुए हैं। बहुत ही कम लोग हैं जो सुरक्षित जगह पे पहुंच चुके हैं।
क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि इस बाढ़ से कितने लोग प्रभावित हुए हैं या फंसे हुए हैं? क्या किसी को चोट लगी है या मेडिकल सहायता की जरूरत है?
मैं उसके बारे में नहीं बता सकता क्योंकि मैं भी श्योर नहीं हूँ। मैं खुद अभी यहाँ पे फंसा हुआ हूँ।
मैं समझ सकता हूँ कि स्थिति आपके लिए बहुत कठिन है। कृपया शांत रहें, मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा। तो अभी आपके अनुसार आप ओडिशा में हैं, जहां पिछले 7 घंटे से लगातार भारी बारिश हो रही है। बाढ़ के कारण कई जगहों पर पानी भर गया है, घरों में पानी घुस चुका है और सड़कें पूरी तरह से डूब चुकी हैं। कई लोग फंसे हुए हैं और बहुत कम ही सुरक्षित स्थानों पर पहुंच पाए हैं। आप खुद भी फंसे हुए हैं।
Assistant will work, and as you can see, it is asking you very good amount of questions. It's collecting accurate amount of information. What is needed? It's asking the required information which is actually needed for a disaster management team to understand what's the situation in the situation at the location right now.
So this is the real-time monitoring dashboard of SAMUDRA SETU. So at the center, you can see the live hazard map. So whenever a citizen uploads the hazard report, exact location appears here as a pin on this map. As you can see, my exact location is shows here with the heat map. Then you can see the priority levels. So here the pins are color coded by priority: red for the top, orange for the medium, yellow for the or low priority. Then in the status icons, it shows whether the report is verified, under review, or false alarm. And here, when I click on this report, I can see the full details of the report, like hazard type, citizen description, and uploaded photos or videos, etc. Where I can mark as verified and resolved. From here, I can download this whole report in the CSV format. So in the next section is our impact section. It shows the estimated population at risk like low, medium, high. It also highlights the infrastructure at risk such as ports, residential areas, or the critical facilities, and the response readiness, response agencies like Indian Coast Guard, NDRF team, etc. So for the social section, It provides a live feed of hazard related posts from the social media, as you can see here. Then the tracks the trending hashtags and keywords like tsunami, tsunami alert, flood warning, etc. And for the analytics section, it displays the full readiness levels like standby, partial, or full emergency response. Then for the chart section, it gives an analytic overview of system activity. It shows reports over time as a timeline graph. It shows priority distribution across top, medium, and low hazards. As you can see here, the priority distribution, status distribution, confidence metrics. So together with this dashboard, it allows analysts and authorities to get verified real-time situational awareness and take quick action for the disaster response.
NLP for natural language processing analysis using the SPACY and the AI for Bharat in the NER model for multilingual support. For the prototype purposes, we have taken the YouTube API and we are fetching the social media extraction from YouTube. As you can see, the first line in the terminal itself, you can see that we are searching for the geo-targeted areas, such as we have taken the search or the geo-targeted search for the Odisha clone. So first of all, it fetches the video as per the geolocation of the incident or the disaster, and then also it goes for the keywords and the hashtags which is mentioned and the titles of the video. Then it collects the data over here, and the data is been saved in the both the database and the filtered data, as you can see over here. It is stored over there. Then we pass the data which has been collected to an NLP, and through this NLP, what it does, it filters out the noise data, which is the videos which we do not require, and it store it separately. And then of the filtered videos, we extract the comments from each of the filtered video, and as you can see that there are comments being collected for the video which is there. And then in the final, we do the analysis part on it, also through the NLP SPACY and the AI for Bharat in the NER multilingual support model. So what we done, and then we generate the report, and this report is been displayed. This parameters has been displayed in the dashboard section of the SAMUDRA SETU web application. So this is the part, and for the purposes on the screen you can see the various database how it is stored. So in the video section you can see the videos related to disaster. These are the filtered videos after that, and after that this is the comments which has been done, and finally the hazard report. It generates in various parameters, which is a average comment sentiment, then negative comments, urgent score, entities, description, etc., all related to it.
So this is our app SAMUDRA SETU, and now I will be showing you the system flow as well as explaining it. So let's begin. Firstly, this is our enhanced platform overview. Here, the reports generated by the citizens and the verified through the social media, and these will all be shown to the authorities, and the analysis will be done over here. And then we have priority classification. There are multiple hazards, which hazard will impact most will be classified, and as per these arrangements priorities, we'll be working on it. And also we will be having the verification process whether it is true or not. And later, then it is hazard specific parameters and impact assessments. Here, let's take an example of tsunami. Through this, we will be knowing the height, the wind speed, and the direction of the wind. We can calculate at what time the tsunami will occur on the land and what will be its impact. Through this impact, we can analyze what responses we should be ready at, so that we can rescue our people. We have that, and know what medical assistance we can give. Then it is social media integration and automated detection. The videos collected through the online social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, etc. The sentiment and analysis will be done, like whether it is negative or positive, and we will be getting the hotspots, locations, etc., through which we can identify the key areas over here. And then it will be the notification system. As you can see, the color palette over here, this will be showing the severity levels for notifications to the government agencies, and then they will proceed with their alerting system to aware the civilians to tell them what hazards can cause and what are their impacts.
Thank you very much.